So I wanted to give a reason why, because I think people need to know that why am I doing TikTok? And the reason why is because I want to see what I can do with um, having some followers um, to see if I could promote um, some additional way of trying to uh, get help with getting things done around the house, I guess. Plus, trying to offer some stuff to other people who might find it helpful. So, you look at your life, you say, well, you always want to do something, and how do you get there? Well, you do many, many other things uh, during your life, waiting for that moment to come, I guess. So, for me, my life's been on pause for so long because I've been doing so many other things, thinking that's what I had to do at the time. Well, I'm nearing my retirement, as I mentioned earlier. So, what I really would like to do is make furniture. Example is this piece in front of me here. Now, I bought this online, and you know, it's nice looking, but it's not the way I would build it. So, when you look at products today, they have these lovely, um, well, this one doesn't show it there, but let's see, uh, camshafts, right? I think I've covered them up. These are added right here. These boards here and here on both sides. Because when I was putting this thing together, it just seemed to fall apart because camshafts aren't a great way to build furniture in my book, just because it's not built for long term. As you can see, I also had to add some screws to the outside, which kind of takes away from its finished look by the manufacturer. These wouldn't obviously be here, okay, if it wasn't for me adding those pieces of wood, but they were required to kind of hold this thing together. And I said to myself, nice looking, but I could have made that better myself. But, money, time, equipment, that's what it takes to do all that. And throughout my life, I've done things, I believe, for other people. Now, you might say, well, that's kind of a weird approach, but I have done things for other people. And, in a way, you could say that was for myself because obviously I got enjoyment out of that. So, as strange as it may sound, if it's appropriate, is I do for other people because I enjoy doing it. So, it must be for myself as well. So, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm trying to get something going, thinking that, oh, here's a way maybe to get help from other people to get where I want to be. Not sure that's how it all works. I spent my morning on YouTube trying to create I think I created a YouTube channel last night, uploaded my TikTok videos to that. So now I have a YouTube channel, just finding different ways for interacting with today's world. Back in the day, you'd put your phone number in a phone book, in the yellow pages, somebody would call you for some work. Then it turned into websites, and then the whole social media thing took off, which I think that's a good way to meet people. I don't know if I'm one of those people who look. First of all, I'm not one of those people who are. What's the word I'm looking for? I'm great for broadcasting from the radio because my looks aren't the best for, say, you know, TikTok or YouTube. A lot of people have a personality or the looks for it, and maybe that's some of the appeal process, but that's not me. I'm here because I want to um, share a lot of what I know. Also, possibly, get help from the world itself to try and get where I'm going because I don't have a lot of time left. I know that's a terrible thing to say, but 63, let's face it, guys, what is the reality of, when can you keep producing um, and get some reward out of it? I figure, 75, I don't know how mobile I'll be, but maybe I will be. We'll see how that goes. But we'll know that for another, let's see, that'd be 12 years. So In the meantime, I want to do a lot of things around the house, but very restricted, with time because I still have to work full time because I have to do that, which I call a distraction from what you want to do. But it is reality. My son wanted to do YouTube videos when he was younger, thinking he could make a career out of that. I says, well, have a plan A and make that your plan B, because, it might not be as practical as you think because you have to put a lot of stuff together. You got to have the know how. As you could see, I don't have that know how. Uh, but I'm learning, in the 3 days I've been on TikTok, I did finally learn how to do a 10-minute video as opposed to a 60-second video. Just so happened to be when I tried it the first time, 10 minutes didn't work. So I thought, well, maybe that's not what that means. So when I don't know what something means, I go find out. You know, One of the great things about today's world and Google search is you can find out what it is maybe that you're trying to do. And there are so many people out there trying to help other people, maybe with a different purpose behind it, whether it be financial or personal satisfaction, whatever it might be. But there's a lot of, what do I say? A lot of content out there that you can find to help you get where you want to be in this world. So the purpose here is to try and get to a point where, I can make furniture for people and I'll obviously sell it to them for a price. So somehow I've got to get there. And so I've done so far with TikTok, trying to build a following there. Uh, Obviously a YouTube channel. But, in the midst of all that, I figured it'd be a good idea. People get to know me and what I can do. So some of those how to, like the garage lighting and doing the basement bathroom modeling, which we're about to get into. We started yesterday getting back into it, as I explained, and now we're going to continue on with what we had planned for today. And, I sort of randomly talk. I don't work by a script. Maybe that'll improve over time as I figure out how to do all this. But I just want to give you guys some background about why I'm doing what I'm doing because it seems kind of crazy at 63, I think. Should be just trying to find my place in the world as a during this time of my life and really would love to build custom furniture. I don't want to hire myself out to do building and remodeling. I did that for years. And again, I'm not physically capable of doing that anymore, really. Even though I could, I do it around the house, but I really don't want to be under that stressful situation of trying to get things done for people on their timeline. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of history. Obviously, love to have you follow, like the video. Maybe something that I'm doing will help you improve. That's what I'm hoping this does as well. Because, like I said, I like doing things for other people. That's why I'm sharing this, because, maybe this will help you through whatever you're doing. So, we're going to end this video, post it, see what happens with its likes and uh, followers if we can get any. And then, of course, we're back onto the bathroom project today. So, thanks for coming. Bye bye.